Um, Typically, I would still come to class just because it's always nicer to be in person, just kind of like everyone was saying. But I can see why that would be a worry. And so some classes have like just had a past recording, so it's not necessarily about like the one this semester. It was like last semester or something like that. So it still had basically the same information. But if you wanted to still go to class and get like the live portion of it, I guess, it was better because it was just like everyone was there and things like that. But there is sometimes like recordings from past. Um, I know sometimes there's like legal issues with that if it's like FERPA and stuff. But if it's possible to have recordings from past um, classes, then that kind of works because then you kind of can go back if you need to learn something, but also you want to go and like see it live and be with the professor and be able to ask questions and stuff.
I can see where the temptation comes for a lot of students, that if there's the option to just watch a video at double speed rather than actually going to class, they'll take it. And I think a way that professors can avoid that is by having some kind of incentive for them to come to class, whether that be through participation grades or if that is through, like Lillian was saying, informing students that there is a portion of the content that will not be in those videos that they can only get at class. I think those are some good incentives to remind students that it is important, even if it seems like it's the easier route to just watch the video. It is important that you're still attending class.
One of my professors, so this was just a normal Zoom class that wasn't pre-recorded, but he did something where he had us download this app called iClicker, or like iClicker Reef. And so he had like a larger class. If you have like a smaller class, you can maybe just take participation. That way people have an incentive to come. But for larger classes, you could take like a short quiz about the material that you needed to study for the day before. And that was kind of like his way of tracking your participation. And then everyone would come because they needed their participation. They also needed points for the quiz.